Okay, today we talk about how to print on the water bottle. Okay, the summer is coming. So many beverage industry they will print on the bottle. So the CO2 laser printer, it is the best way to print. It is the best way to print on the water bottle. Okay, on the water bottle. The 9.3 wavelength. It is the best printing for water bottle printing. Okay, here I'm showing the video. It is the customer to print on the oil bottle. Okay. The speed can print from 10 meter per minute to 100 meter per minute. Okay, we have different series CO2 laser printer, which it is the speed can from low to high. Okay. So you can send me message, okay, if you need it. It can print on transparent bottle. Okay. Something like a water bottle, beverage bottle, oil bottle, snack bottle. Okay. Any plastic bottle, you can use the CO2 laser printer to print. Okay. This video I'm showing it is the CO2 laser printer installed on the oil production line. Okay, after label and then use the CO2 laser printer to print on the bottle. Okay. Okay, you can send me message. Okay, you can send me message. You can send me message. Okay. You can send me message. Many water bottle factories use the CO2 laser printer to print on the plastic water bottle, beverage bottle. Okay. So, beverage factories widely use 9.3 wavelength CO2 laser printers because this wavelength, 9.3 wavelength, is perfectly formatting PET plastic bottles. The most common container in the water and the beverage industry. So why beverage factories like to use 9.3 wavelength CO2 laser printer? That is because PET absorb 9.3 light much better. Okay, PET absorb 9.3 light much better. That the standard 10.6 wavelength. 10.6 wavelength. It is better to print on plastic films. Okay, plastic labels. But PET 9.3 light. It is the best to print on the PET bottle. Okay. After printing, if we use the 9.3 light to print on the PET bottle, the printing it is bright white, frosted mark. Instead of a faint, semi-transparent one, the code is highly visible on clear, transparent bottles, even from a distance. So, in one word, if we use 9.3 wavelengths to print on the water bottle, that means we can see the printing very clearly. Okay, very clearly. If we use 9.6 or 9.2, we cannot see the printing very clearly. That is why we must use 9.3 to print on the water bottle. And it is also gentle on thin, flexible plastic. Beverage bottles use very thin PET to save cost and weight. The 9.3 laser has lower penetration depth and focus presence on the surface. It avoids burning holes, weakening the material, or causing macro cracks that could lead to leaks during transport. The number 3, it is ideal for high-speed production lines. The efficient energy absorption allows faster marking speeds while maintaining clarity. Also, it is easy keeps up with beverage lines running at 600 to 1,200 bottles per minute. This speed not so quickly. Okay. Delivery crystals, small text, barcodes, or QR codes without blinking. Okay. So if we use the CO2 laser printer, so the printing no need contact the bottle. So it is ink-free process. It is also ink-free process. No risk of ink inside of the bottle. So it is eco-friendly. Marks are permanent, scratch-resistant, and waterproof. So that means after we use the laser printer on the bottle, we cannot erase the printing very easily. That is why. So it meets strict food standard and traceability regulations. And the number 5, it is cost and maintenance efficiency. No need any consumables, something like ink, solvent, ribbons, only electricity and compressed air. Reduce long-term operation cost. So, in one word, the 9.3 CO2 laser is the industry standard because it solves the biggest challenges. It prints clear, durable marks on the very thin PET bottle at good speed with zero risk of damaging the product or contaminating the beverage. So that is why most customers like to use the CO2 laser printer to print on the plastic bottle. Most China factory, water bottle factory use the CO2 9.3 CO2 laser printer to print on water bottle. Okay, 100% China water bottle factory use the CO2 9.3 Okay. Till now, it's the best way. To print. Let me see. Why we use so? Because 9.3 Okay, 9.3 It is the best way. It is the best wavelength. It is the best wavelength to print on the thin, transparent PET bottle. Okay. Best wavelength. Wow. See, transparent PET bottle. Okay, that's the wavelength for thin transparent PET bottle. That means if you want to print on very thin PET bottle, we should use CO2 laser printer, no matter it is water bottle, beverage bottle, oil bottle, snack bottle, or any container. It's better we should use the CO2 laser printer, okay? CO2 9.3. CO2 9.3, the price is a little expensive than 10.6, okay? Than 10.6. The laser source, it is CRD, China brand, China best brand, okay? The laser source, it is CRD laser source, China brand best, okay? China brand best, okay? So you can send me message, okay? You can send me message if you want to know more, okay? Laser source. CRD. This is China best, okay? But CRD laser source, it is expensive, a little expensive than any other brand in China. So, but the quality it is the best, okay? We can use 30,000 hours. No need any after sales service, okay? It is long working, okay? So if you need to know more details, just send me message, okay? Send me message. Laser source, it is CRD, China #1 CO2 laser source in China, okay? It's the China best. Any other brand laser source, it is cheap, but not good quality, okay? But not good quality. So laser source CRD is the best, okay? And this video I'm showing is the speed. It is not so quickly, but actually the laser printer can print 600 to 1,200, okay? To 1,200. 600 to 1,200 bottle per minute. Okay, so just let me know your production line speed. Okay, just let me know your production line speed. I will give you solution. Okay, I will give you solution. We have installed many laser printer on the water bottle line and beverage production line. So we have many experience. Okay, just let us know your production line. to 1,200 bottles per minute. Okay, the speed. This is the speed. So Just let us know what is your product and your speed. We will give you good solutions. Laser printing, okay? Nine point three wavelength. It is the most expensive laser source. Okay, 9.3. It is the most expensive in China. Okay, 9.3. 10.6. It is a little cheap than 9.3. 10.6. It is better to print on the label. Okay, it is better to print on the label. Plastic label, wood, and paper carton. But 9.3. It is best to print on the transparent bottle. Okay, transparent thin bottle, that is PET bottle. Okay, so if your product use PET bottle packing, so it's better you should use the CO2 9.3 laser printer. Okay. Okay, send me your message. Okay, send me your questions if you have any questions about the coding, about the packing on your product. Okay, we will give you solutions. Okay. The PET bottle, it is normally to pack the water beverage, milk, oil, sometimes the sausages. Okay, so just let me know your production line details. We will give you the full packing solution. Okay. Send me your message, okay? Just send me your message. We have installed many sites CO2 laser printer on the different country, okay? The printer, it support English, Spanish. Actually, it support global languages, okay? Also support Arabic. So, if you have any questions, just send me a message, okay? Also, you can follow up my channel. I will live show each day, okay? Send me your message, okay? Send me your message, what you want to print. what you want to print, and what is your materials, what is your packing materials. You want to add some packing, you want to add one production line, or you just set up a new production, or you just want to set up a new factory. Just the same message, we will give you solution, okay? We have different CO2 laser printer which can meet different production line, okay? Because different line has different speed, so just send me message, okay? Also you can follow up me, okay? I'm sharing the video. It is one customer, they print on the oil bottle, okay? As we know, the oil, if we want to print on the oil bottle, we cannot use the inkjet printer. So CO2 laser printer, it is the best way, because if we use the ink printer, it will maybe some not so eco-friendly, okay? Not so eco-friendly, but laser printer, it is no contact printing, okay? No contact printing, so it don't have some horrible it don't have any horrible materials into the oil. So laser printer for oil bottle printing, it is the best. Also for water bottle, beverage industry, water industry, and milk industry, CO2 printing also is the best choice, okay? So just let me know your message, okay? You can send me message if you need to know more details, okay? Just send me message. Send me message, okay? I can share you more videos, okay? I can share you more videos. For the transparent PET bottle, we must use the CO2 9.3 wavelengths, okay? We must use the 9.3 wavelengths CO2 laser, okay? Because only 9.3 wavelengths CO2 laser printer can print on the thin PET bottle, okay? Because the thin PET bottle, it is very thin, okay? It is very thin, and after we use this kind of CO2 laser printer, we can see the printing very clearly, and also the printing, it is eco-friendly, no harmful to the materials, okay? No harmful to the materials. That is why in the oil industry, water bottle industry, and beverage industry, milk industry, most of them, they are use the CO2 laser printer, especially they use the 9.3 wavelengths, okay? That is why. So this video, I'm using the CO2, it is use the CRD laser source, okay? CRD laser source. CRD, it is the China best, okay? China best wavelengths. China best CO2 laser source, okay? China best brand. Especially for 9.3 CRD. Okay, it is China best. Maybe you ask some other suppliers, they have cheaper price, but not CRD brand. Maybe after you use 6 months or 1 year, it will not working. But CRD it can working around 30,000 hours. Very stability. Okay, China best brand laser source. Okay, for the laser printer, many customers worry about the after sales service. Okay, so if we use the best laser source, so it will working stability and also very easy operation. We don't need any after sales service. It will help you save many times and save many money. Okay, and the speed, the printing speed, it can from 600 to 1,200 bottles per minute. Okay, just send me message or follow up my channel. Okay, follow up my channel. Okay, if you want to know more about the printing, the laser printing, I can share you more videos. Okay, but here I only can share this video. Just follow up me. Okay, I have many videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, so just let me know what is your printing machine. Just let me know what is your printing machine. Okay, the laser printer, the software, it support different languages. Okay, when we shipping out, it is English software, and also it has Spanish, Arabic, different languages. Actually, we export in different countries. So if you want to know more about it, just send me message. Okay, send me message. Okay, send me message. Okay, so CO2 9.3 wavelength. It is the best laser printer for printing on thin transparent PET bottle. Okay, transparent PET bottle. Okay, because as we know, transparent PET bottle, it is very thin. If we use 10.6 or 10.2, we cannot see the printing very clearly. But 9.3 wavelength, it is CO2 wavelength. It is designed for transparent PET bottle. Okay, so just send me message. Okay, send me message. I will share you more details. Okay, follow up my channel. Okay, follow up my channel. I will share you more details. Okay, the speed can up to 600 to 1,200 bottles per minute, and the laser source we use CRD. Okay, CRD CO2 laser source. It is China best brand. Okay, China best brand CO2 laser source. Okay, CRD brand laser source, it is a little expensive than any other brand. Okay, than any other brand. China also has other CO2 laser brand, but they are not good for printing on PET bottle. Okay. In one word, if you want to print on PET bottle, if you want to choose China laser source, laser printer, if you want to choose China laser printer, you should choose CRD laser source. Okay, you should choose CRD laser source. Okay, it is the best way. It is the cheapest one, but very good quality. Okay, it can work in stability. It can work in stability around 30,000 hours. Okay, it can work in stability. It can work in stability around 30,000 hours. No need any maintenance. No need any after sales service. Okay. It just use the electronic. Okay, no need. It will save our money and time. So if you want to know more details, just send me message. Okay, send me message. I can share you more details because we have installed many CO2 laser printer in different production lines. Okay. Send me message and follow up my channel. Okay, follow up my channel. Follow up my channel. Okay. 王姐，你帮我拿一本画册过来好吗？ Send me message. Okay, send me message. Also, you can let me know if you have any questions about the laser printer printing. Just send me message. Okay, I can give you solutions. Okay, I can give you solutions. We have installed many laser printer in different production lines. Just send me message. Okay. Send me message. Send me your message. Okay. Send me your message. Okay, send me your message. OK， 看不到了。 Send me your message, okay? Just send me your message if you have any questions, okay? Just send me your message. Can you hear me? Send me your message, okay? Follow up my channel. Send me your message, okay? And follow up my channel, okay? Follow up my channel. Tomorrow I will show you UV laser printer, okay? One type UV laser printer, because we from last year we have one model UV laser printer. It is selling very good, okay? It is selling very good. And today this model, it is CO2 laser printer, okay? CO2 laser printer. It's best for print on the water bottle, okay? PET bottle. Any PET bottle, we can use CO2 laser printer, okay? It can fit any speed, okay? And also we can add industry camera after the laser printer printing, okay? So just follow up my channel. Follow up my channel if you need it, okay? Just follow up my channel, okay? Follow up my channel. Follow up my channel, okay? Follow up me. Follow up me, okay? I will share you more videos. Follow up me, okay? Follow up me. I will share you more videos, okay? Follow up me. Because if you need to print on PET bottle, okay? PET bottle, something like a water bottle, beverage bottle, milk bottle, and any snack bottle, any liquid bottles. If the bottle it is transparent PET bottles, we should use the CO2 If it is HDPE bottles, that should use the UV laser printer. Okay, UV laser printer. If it is, in one word, if it is transparent PET bottle, use CO2. If it is non-transparent bottle, we should use UV laser printer. Okay, UV laser printer. So just let me know what is your product and what is the packing materials. We have full solution of the printers, full solution of laser printer and inkjet printer. Just let me know your message. Just let me know what is your packing. Okay? We will give you solution. Just let me know. Okay? This video I'm showing it is one customer showing it is the oil bottle. Okay, we are print on the oil bottle. We print on the oil bottle. So as we know, the oil bottle maybe the oil maybe outside of the bottle. So if we use the inkjet printer, it is not so good. Maybe it will. If we use the inkjet print to print on the oil bottle, it is easy to erase it. That is why we must use the CO2 laser printer. If we use the CO2 laser printer, it is non-contact printing. It is non-contact printing. So we can non-contact printing. So it is eco-friendly for the product. Okay, eco-friendly to the product. Eco-friendly to the product. And after we printing, it is not easy to erase the printing. That is why it is now actually in China 100% of the oil bottle, oil industry and water industry and beverage industry, they are using the CO2 laser printer. Okay, CO2 laser printer. As we know, CO2 laser printer, we have three wavelengths. Okay, the common wavelength it is 10.6, and 10.6 wavelength. It is best to print on plastic, wood, or film. Okay, and 9.3 wavelength. It is best to print on transparent PET bottle. Okay, and also we have 10.2 wavelength. It is best to print on the transparent film. Okay, transparent film. Okay, transparent film. We use 10.2 wavelength. Transparent PET bottle we use 9.3 wavelength. Okay, we are using the laser source. It is China best brand CRD. It is the China best brand. Also the quality it is very good. Okay, actually China best, cheap price and best quality. Okay.